Hi, welcome to Concept.
In the previous video, we have seen that the restrictions on ITC availment. So this video is in continuation of that video. In earlier video, we have seen that there was a 10% restriction on utilization of ITC for the cases where the supplier has not uploaded invoices. Okay. So these are the various issues. So taking further, these are the various issues and clarifications issued by CBIC. Various issues and clarification issued by CBIC. So first issue is that the invoices, debit notes on which restriction under Rule 36 sub Rule 4 of the CGST rule shall apply. So what are the invoices? This Rule 36 sub Rule 4 is nothing but the restriction which we have seen in the previous video, that is 10% of the eligible ITC. So the clarification has been given by the CBIC. It says that the restriction of availment of ITC is imposed only in respect of those invoices / debit notes, details of which are required to be uploaded by the supplier under section 37 subsection 1 and which have not been uploaded by the supplier. So only the invoices which are required to be uploaded by the supplier under this section 37 subsection 1, in that case only the Rule 36 sub Rule 4 shall apply. This is what 10% of eligible ITC. So this we have seen in the previous video. So this restriction shall apply only on those invoices which are required to be uploaded by the supplier under section 37 subsection 1. So from this we can interpret that the restrictions shall not be applicable in the following cases. What are the cases? First, import of goods. Import of goods, why? Because in this case the question of declaration of invoice does not arise, because the importer / recipient pays IGST at the time of custom clearance and is entitled to full ITC. On the basis of what? On the basis of bill of entry. So here the question of invoice does not arise. Okay. In case of import of service, also section 37 subsection 1 does not come into the play and declaration of invoice does not arise, as the importer / recipient raises what? Self invoice on the supplies and pays IGST on what? RCM basis. So in this case also these restrictions under Rule 36 does not apply. After that, supply received from unregistered supplier on which RCM is applicable. So in this case also invoice has to be issued by the recipient only. So the question of invoice not being issued, not been uploaded does not arise. Okay. The last one is invoice of ISD, input service distributor. In this case, since the invoice is issued by the ISD but not under section 37, not under section 37 subsection 1, and the recipient who avails ITC on the basis of invoice issued by the ISD, and ISD issues invoice under section 20. Okay, so these are the 4 points on which restriction under Rule 36 sub Rule 4 does not applies. Okay, so this is the end of the video. In the next video we will discuss the second issue and its clarification. Okay, thank you.